I often notice this among sales agents in the insurance and real estate industry, or anything that involves a lot of face-to-face meetings with customers. And that is, they tend to be apologetic when they have to invite them for a physical meeting. They say something like, "Apologies, I had to drag you to this meeting. I'm so sorry you were stuck in that traffic." And while I understand that your intention is to be polite, it's also not the sexiest way to build a relationship with a customer. It's going to make you sound and look desperate. So instead, consider saying, "Thank you for attending this meeting. I'm grateful that you made the time for this meeting. I appreciate that you took the time to attend this meeting." Remember that if you speak and act like a doormat, you will be treated like a doormat. And so you have to put that balance of power. I need something from you, but I'm proud that you're going to benefit from something that I will present to you. Your choice of words matter.